Peace to you, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to paint this winterberry wreath with watercolors. First, I outlined the circle with a compass, and then I did light sketches with a hard pencil. While painting leaves, I used wet on wet technique, where I started initially with a plain water or very light wash of a color and then gradually add more color value while it is still wet. I was trying to follow the specific leaves that you see on the picture, and they have different colors in them, where the sides are very light and the inner parts were more pigmented. And in order to paint this kind of leaves with watercolors, we first start with a lighter pigment first, and then we add darker pigments. It is very important to add darker colors gradually so they stay distinct from each other. To achieve this effect, I would paint first layers of several leaves, and then I moved to another leaves. And I would come back to the first ones while they're still wet and add another darker layers. I repeat these steps with all the leaves and layers. If I didn't like how blending occurred, I would lift up colors with a dry brush and then add new layers of colors. In some areas I didn't like how my colors blended, so I took a clean wet brush and I smoothed the edges and hard lines. And the good quality paper made it possible. After my leaves dried, I went over them with a darker concentrated pigment and added more detail. For berries, I used more concentrated pigment and added them in between leaves in random order. Here I also fold the exact shape of the natural berry. To decorate the wreath, I used metallic gold watercolors in a braided pattern. First I used light gold and then I decided that I want to add more bold gold color. To finish up my wreath, I added metallic accent to berries and leaves to make them more stand out. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments below and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.